Okay, everybody, it's me, Odin Dominique, and I'm going to show you how to make the sound of Jerry's voice. I put Jerry had to scream. It's public, but now I'm here to show you this. Show you how to make the sound of Jerry's voice. Jerry sounded like Tom's voice. So today we all make our own Jerry voice. First, make it to the side where you want it to be that has Tom's voice. And then put pitch 6. If you like watching this, click on my YouTube channel, give it a like, share, and subscribe. And I got so many subscribers. So have fun. They're public.